Today we got this LED light that we're gonna put together. We have the instructions with it. And this is basically because in the night it gets a little bit dark, so we're gonna install it. It has an arm that opens up, comes with an LED light, some connections, a heavy duty bracket, and some accessories to put it together. So we're gonna start putting it together for you guys. So we finished putting the light with the bracket, and this is how it goes. You close it, put it out of the way, stays there, and then once you need to use it, you just pull it out. And so the reason we put it, because in the night we're cutting on this cabinet shop, and we can hardly see, and so you just put it face down with this new LED, and if you want to hook something up, you can plug it in there. So we're going to try it out right now. As a daytime. And as you see, we're going to turn it on, see how bright it is. See how it is. And we're going to try it in the night as well. It's on and off. That's how the light looks in the night, as you see. And we're going to turn it off so you guys can check it out. Okay, that's how bright it looks on the table side. And then we're going to turn it off. See how dark it gets. Now we're going to turn it on for you guys. Alright, then we're going to show you about this light that we like. It has a connection up there. You can plug in your tools while you're working and doing something else. Okay, now we're going to run that through. Hope you like it.